Hello everyone, and welcome back to Foxtecc. Today, I'm going to show you how to export your iCloud contacts. This is a useful process if you want to back up your contacts or transfer them to another service. While it can technically be done on an iPhone, using a computer is more straightforward. Let's dive into the details. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com. If you're using a Mac, I recommend using Safari because it allows for easier login with Touch ID. This will save you some time and make the process smoother. Once you're on the iCloud website, log in with your Apple ID and password. After logging in, you'll see a variety of icons representing different iCloud services. Scroll down until you find the Contacts section. It might take a moment to locate, but once you do, tap on the Contacts icon to open it. This will bring up a list of all your contacts stored in iCloud. The next step is to select all your contacts. To do this, look in the upper section of the Contacts interface for the three dots button. Click on this button and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select Select All. This ensures that every contact in your list is highlighted and ready for export. With all your contacts selected, your next move is to find the Share button. Look in the upper right corner of the screen for a small icon that resembles a box with an arrow pointing upward. This is the Share button. Click on it, and you will see an option that says Export vCard. Tap on this option. When you click Export vCard, your computer will download a single file that contains all your contacts. This file will be in the VCF format. VCF stands for Virtual Contact File, and it's a standard format for storing and exchanging contact information. A VCF file includes details like names, phone numbers, and email addresses, making it easy to transfer your contact information between different applications and devices. The VCF file you've downloaded is now ready to be used wherever you need it. Whether you want to import your contacts into a new email client, another iCloud account, or keep it as a backup, this file format is widely compatible and very convenient. To summarize, exporting your iCloud contacts is a straightforward process when using a computer. Log into iCloud.com, navigate to the Contacts section, select all your contacts, and then export them as a vCard. This method ensures that your contact information is safely backed up and easily transferable. That's all for today's tutorial on Foxtecc. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and peace. And